All right, so this is our lumbar decompression. I'm gonna hold a medicine ball, but if you have a pillow or rolled up towel, you can use that too. We're simply just gonna put this as a hug, and I'm gonna bring my elbows down onto the ground, okay? This is just meant to support us, and then I'm trying to sink my butt down towards my heels, creating contact through my elbows. And so now we really just get to hang out here, in through my nose, out through my mouth. Again, if you have a pillow, you might roll it up here and be able to come onto your elbows like this, right? Whatever you have available to you, roll it up, create some pressure through here, and just relax, decompressing the spine through there. Again, one more time. Come through, okay? Elbows. I may try and sink my butt back, and I'm just hanging out, taking breaths in through my nose. Exhale. In through my nose. Exhale. Good.